Is your Xbox acting up? Network down, games crashing, friends list gone, or endless lag? You're not alone, and don't reset your console just yet. Stick around, these fixes could save your gaming night. We've all been there. You sit down to play and bam, error code, game won't launch, total frustration. But today we're fighting back. I'll show you the real fixes Xbox doesn't advertise. If you've tried restarting, yelling at your router, or even threatening your Xbox, I get it. Before you rage quit, try these proven solutions that have saved countless gamers. We'll go step by step from quick checks to last-ditch options to get you back online. No more guessing, just real problem solving. Ready to reclaim your gaming night? You're in the right place. And if your Xbox has been driving you crazy, hit that like button so we know we're in this together. First, is the problem even on your end? Check the Xbox status page on your phone or computer. If Xbox Live is down, relax. Grab a snack and wait for the pros to fix it. But if everything's green and your Xbox is still a brick, it's time for action. Start with a hard reset. Hold the Xbox button for 10 seconds until it shuts down. While it's off, unplug your router and modem for at least 30 seconds. Plug the modem in first, wait for lights, then the router. This clears out old connections and gives you a fresh start. Still having issues? Are you on Wi-Fi? Wi-Fi is notorious for lag and disconnects. If possible, switch to an Ethernet cable for a faster, more stable connection. It's the best upgrade for gaming, period. Power up your Xbox and see if the problem's gone. If not, let's dig deeper. Can't join friends or multiplayer matches? It's probably your NAT type. Go to Xbox settings, general network settings, and check your NAT type. If it's open, you're good. If it's moderate or strict, let's fix it. Log into your router's admin page. Google your router brand if you're unsure. Find and enable UPnP, Universal Plug and Play, in the settings. This lets your Xbox open the right ports for online play. If UPnP was already on, try changing your DNS. In Xbox network settings, go to Advanced, DNS, Manual, enter 8.8.8.8 for primary and 8.8.4.4 for secondary, Google DNS. Save, restart your Xbox, and check your NAT type again. Most connection issues vanish with these steps. Welcome to the Open NAT party. One game keeps crashing or won't connect. First, check if the game's servers are down. Search game name server status or check down detector. If servers are down, just wait. It's not your fault. If servers are fine, you might have a corrupted file. Solution, uninstall and reinstall the game from My Games and Apps. Still crashing? Clear your Xbox's cache. Hold the power button for 10 seconds, unplug the power cord, and wait 5 minutes. Plug it back in and power up. Try launching the game again. These steps fix most stubborn game crashes. If not, we've got one more trick coming up. Game Pass games won't launch, or you're told to renew your subscription even though you're paid up. It's likely a sync glitch. Go to Settings. Account subscriptions to confirm your status. If your subscription is active but games still won't launch, sign out and back into your Xbox account. This often fixes the issue. Still stuck? Contact Xbox support and request a service refresh on your account. It's a quick fix on their end. Always check your billing first, but don't hesitate to ask for that refresh. Don't let a glitch ruin your Game Pass experience. Tried everything and your Xbox is still broken? It's time for the Nuclear Option Factory reset. Don't worry, your saves are safe in the Xbox cloud if you've been online. Double check by launching your important games to sync saves. Go to Settings, System, Console Info, Reset Console. Choose Reset and Keep My Games and Apps. This wipes the system but keeps your games installed. You'll need to sign in and reapply settings, but your data and games stay. This deep reset fixes stubborn bugs and errors. It's the final boss of troubleshooting. Your Xbox should feel brand new. That's it! You now have a complete plan to rescue your Xbox from chaos. Which fix worked for you? Let us know in the comments. Your story could help others. If this video saved your gaming night, smash that like button, and subscribe for more tips. We're all in this together. Gamers helping gamers. Want more Xbox tricks? Check out the next video right here. Thanks for watching and sticking through the fixes. See you in the next one. Happy gaming.